So the program we're going to cover in this video is going to be Padlet, and it's an online discussion board that's very collaborative and creative and allows students to have a lot of freedom over how they present information. We'll most likely use this for big topics that have a bunch of different stuff all coming into it that needs to be displayed visually. So a couple ways that you can get to Padlet are: first, if you're invited to a Padlet, you'll get an email that looks like this. Most likely there will also be a link on Google Classroom for students to go to, or you can just search Padlet up here at the top. For this reason, we're just going to hit View Padlet here, and it brings you to the login sign up screen. Obviously, you have to be logged into your Google account that is your school Google account, so you can make the account for Google Classroom. If you have one, you can just log in through Google if you're already logged into your Gmail to log you in automatically, or you can sign up for one here that is free. Just click this and follow the instructions. Since I already have one, I'm going to log in with Google. So then it takes me to a wall that is my Padlets that I've either been invited to or made. You have the option to make your own Padlet. You can use this for projects, share it with teachers if you need to. If you didn't get an invite to a Padlet, you can enter a code and join it manually here. So we're going to look at the wall Padlet, which is one we're probably going to use a lot. So in the wall Padlet, if people have posted, it's going to look like this, and it's just a random assortment of different posts that people have made. So let's say the question that the teacher asked you was, where would you like to go on vacation in the future? You see somebody here added New Zealand, somebody added Bora Bora, they're not done with it yet, and you want to go to St. Thomas. You type in St. Thomas and you've added, now by using this button down here, you have added your post to the wall. If you want to edit it, you can just come up here, hover over it, and you have edit, delete, or more. You can change the color to whatever you want, but we want to edit ours. So what we can do is we can type the reasons we want to go to St. Thomas. You could say there's a nice beach there, whatever you want. But you have all these options here to make a Padlet visual. So you can upload photos that you've saved to your computer. You can link videos, photos, websites. You can directly search Google, or you can take a picture with the camera attached to your computer or phone. You also have these three dots here, which is the More function. From here, you can get all that stuff that I just explained. You can upload, link, search Google, or take a picture. But you can also film, record a voice, cast your screen, so record what is directly on your screen and then add it in. You can draw, you can add a place, all kinds of options. So let's go ahead and find a picture of St. Thomas. Now you see it already uses the subject of my tile and searched it for me. So now we have all the pictures of St. Thomas. If I like this one, all I have to do is click it, and it'll add it to my Padlet. And there it is. So I just added my tile and did my part of the assignment. So that's kind of the basics of Padlet. I hope that helps you understand it a little better, and if you need any help, just let me know.